If you misplaced your original Sony TV remote like I did, this voice remote control replacement is a great solution. It was very simple to pair with my TV, and within just a few minutes I had everything up and running. The setup process was quick and hassle-free. The remote works great with the Sony Bravia TV and gives me all the functions I use every day, including voice control, making it easy to search for shows and navigate menus. The buttons feel responsive and the remote has a solid build quality that doesn't feel cheap. One thing to note is that the remote requires two AAA batteries and they are not included in the package, so you'll want to have a pair ready before setup. So if you're looking for a replacement for a lost, damaged, or worn out Sony remote, this one gets the job done without any headaches. It's been a reliable replacement for the original remote that I somehow managed to misplace. And I'm glad I found it.